Hi guys, this is Bixby from Bixby TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. This time, we're going to be checking out the newest update for my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. This is the Android 11 with the Samsung One UI 3. There are a lot of great features, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the newest features, how you can access them, or how you can customize them on your device. Without wasting much time, let's get directly into the video. Let's check them out. So, as I mentioned earlier, the update is now available for my Galaxy Z Flip. My Galaxy Note 9 doesn't have the update yet. It is still running on the older version. So I'm pretty sure the update is now available for the most recent Samsung devices like the Galaxy Z Flip, the Galaxy Note 20, the S20, the Z Fold. All the most recent Samsung devices will be having this update. Android 11 with Samsung One UI 3, which is the most recent. This is still running the order. So we're going to be doing some comparison between the newest Android 11 and the oldest Android 10. I'm going to start this video by talking about the performance of my device after this update. And I'm going to be honest with y'all because the performance has improved so much better than before. I'm not saying that this device has ever been a laggy or a slow device, no. But after this update, I realized some improvement in the performance. Everything is much smoother. Apps opening is much faster. The apps runs really fast than before, much quicker. Even the animation is much smoother now. Like take for example, if I'm dragging down from the notification panel, you see, it just looks much different and much smoother. Like even when I'm opening up all the different apps, it's much faster. Opening and closing apps is much faster than before. So there's a greater improvement with the performance thanks to the fact that Samsung has reduced a lot of the background activity. So when you're using the phone, most of the apps or most of the applications that are open in the background and they are not being used, they can automatically be closed so that the performance will be much better and smoother. And Samsung claims this update is going to bring an improvement in the battery life. But I don't know, I've been using this phone just one day after the update. Because I received the update yesterday in the morning. I used it the whole of yesterday and today morning. And I haven't noticed so much improvement in the battery life. Maybe that's because I'm using the Galaxy Z Flip, which the battery life of the Galaxy Z Flip is not that good. I mean, it's not that great. It's just okay. But any improvement based on this update, I haven't noticed anything. If you guys have noticed any improvement in your smartphone, I don't know, whatever smartphone you're using, please let me know. I really want to know if there is a greater improvement on the battery life on any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphones out there. So now let's talk about the home screen. And when it comes to the home screen, there are a lot of improvement, a lot of new features. Let's start by talking about the notification panel. When you drag down the notification panel, you realize that the animation is much different. Like, let me show you that on my Galaxy Note 9. You see how it looks like on my Galaxy Note 9? The way it comes down is different from the Galaxy Z Flip. I just like the animation on the Galaxy Z Flip. It's much smoother. It comes down really nice. And when you bring down everything, you see that the notification panel also has been redesigned. It looks different now. It's much more spaced out. All the icons have much space between them. And on the top of it, there is now the devices and media. When you tap on the devices right here, it shows you all the different devices that are connected to this phone or that are being controlled by your smartphone right here. This is nice. Like all this, as you can see, my TV is here, my headphones, speakers, a mouse, everything is right there. That's because you can now access everything that has been controlled from your smartphone by tapping on devices. That's great. And also, there's also media right here. When you tap on it, you can also see what is playing from your phone. Maybe Spotify, maybe the Samsung Music app is playing. So you can control everything from here. I really like that. This is a very nice shortcut. So you just scroll down from the notification panel. You have devices, you have media. Then, in the notification panel, as I mentioned earlier, it is much more spaced out than before. And here we have nearby share. This is a new one. So if, for example, I want to share something from my Galaxy Z Flip to my Galaxy Note 9, I can use a nearby share, which it works almost like Bluetooth, or not. Let me say it works almost like that of the iOS, which is called AirDrop. If you guys have an iPhone or iPad Pro, there is an AirDrop. It works the same as an AirDrop. That means any Galaxy devices that is found around your device can be shared through by using Nearby. And still on the home screen, setting up a wallpaper has been improved. Let's take, for example, I want to set up this wallpaper right here. When I tap on this little corner, this little icon, and as you can realize, all the icons has been placed on the bottom. So when you tap on this three dot right here, set as wallpaper, then set as wallpaper, set as home screen. Now there's a little preview here. When you tap this little white arrow, I don't know if you guys can see that. When you tap on it, it shows you how the wallpaper is going to look on your screen. Right now it's going to look like this, or you can bring it back to the normal mode. So there's a preview right here. So this is how the wallpaper will look like. And if you like it, then you tap on set as home screen. But if you don't want it, you can adjust it, then tap on set as home screen. So that's an improvement. And also still on the home screen, when you double tap on an empty space on the home screen, double tap, 1, 2, it locks the device. As you can see, my phone goes on locked. And if I want to open it, touch the fingerprint, double tap on any empty space, as you can see right there. So that's very nice. So I don't have to press the power button all the time to put my device unlocked. I just simply double tap on an empty space and it goes unlocked. And talking about the locked, when the device is locked, like right now, then you tap on the clock. You see, it gives you a lot of shortcuts. One of my subscribers was talking about this shortcut on an Android or on a Samsung phone, and this is it right here. Shortcut, it's now much better on Samsung smartphones, Samsung devices, way more than an iPhone. Like, just take a look. So what I just have to do is, now my device is locked. I tap on this clock and it gives me a lot of things. The weather, my today's schedule, Samsung music that's playing, the alarm, Bixby, and a digital well-being on the bottom to show you, to let you know how much screen time you're using or you're spending on your device. So right here, I like this, man. Nice. And you can add the widget by simply tap and hold on any app icon on the screen. Then it gives you these little windows right here, widget. Tap on it. Then you can choose whatever sizes you want. So if I want this one, I tap right here, art, and it appears on your home screen. Very easy. You can do that on all different apps. Let's take, for example, I want to do it on camera. Tap and hold. Or camera doesn't have it. Let's say the core, it doesn't have it. Let's say the music app, yes, it's there. Widget, tap on it. It gives you all the different sizes. So you can choose one. You tap on art, it goes on the screen. Very nice. And also, there's a good news for all the dynamic lock screen lovers. If you're a huge fan of the dynamic lock screen, then you're going to be happy with the newest update because it has gained an improvement. You tap and hold on the home screen, then wallpapers, then wallpaper services, dynamic lock screen, turn it on, then tap on this little icon right here. Now there are so many, how many? There are, I think, 3, 6, 9, 10 category right now. On my Galaxy Note 9, the older version, there were just 5 categories of pictures. Now on the newest update, there is 10: landscape, plants, life, dogs, cats, animals, art, food, desserts, and special. So if, for example, if I choose on life, like tap on life right there, and every time I lock the screen, it will give me a different picture. Every time there'll be a complete different pictures, as you can see right there. So this is nice. The fact that it has been improved, there are now 10 categories that you can choose from. It is really good. Another improvement I've noticed with this update is the fact that when you pull down the notification panel, you realize that it is transparent. Let me show you guys the same notification panel on my Galaxy Note 9. As you can see right here, it is completely dark, but on the Z Flip, it is transparent. Yeah, and let's use the light mode. It's still the same, transparent, and the light mode on the Note 9. Yeah, yeah. So now the notification panel is transparent. And also the icons are brought right down below where your fingers can easily touch one-handed mode than on the older version. The older version, it was brought down a little bit, but sometimes it's hard for your fingers to go right up there. But on the newer version or the newest update, it is much brought down, right down. So now my fingers can easily touch anything on the notification panel. Just pull down, bring it right there, as you can see. So that's the most important thing with the One UI, because you can use your device, even though it's a huge device like my Galaxy Z Flip is 21:9 aspect ratio, which means it is very long. But with the One UI, I just have to bring it down, really down, so that my finger can touch everything. As you can see right here, see? One time, two times. This is cool. That's one thing I'm a huge fan of, the One UI from Samsung. And now let's move away from the home screen and talk about the settings, because the settings have been redesigned. It looks better. The icons looks much better than the older version. I don't know if you guys can see that on my Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy Z Flip. This is the newer version. As you can see, it looks completely different, but much better, improved, and much simpler than the older version. Like, check it out. Here, connection. There are three things you have in it: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and airplane mode. That's all. And when you check it out, you realize that there's a gap between the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, a huge gap. So you know exactly what you're looking for. But on the older Android 10, very complicated, much closer. So when you get in, it's hard for you to find out if you're looking for Bluetooth or you're looking for airplane mode. But now everything is very simple. Like right here, sound and vibration. There are two things you have in sound mode and ringtone. Notification, you have the status bar and do not disturb. That's all. But I love the fact that there is a gap between each word, so you easily find out what you're looking for. Like when you scroll down to the bottom, it's the same thing. Much easier now. Man, I love this. And still on the settings, if we scroll down to the bottom, right up to general management, language and keyboard list, Samsung keyboard, languages. Samsung has added more languages onto their keyboard. There are now 370 languages on the Samsung keyboard. As you can see, let me show you the languages on the older Galaxy 10 or Android 10, please. On my Galaxy Note 9, as you can see right here, look at, there are more languages added. Like here, this Arabic, it is not on the older version. Armenia, it is not here. This one also, Assamese, I don't know which country is that. There's just a lot of countries. Bengali, it's not on this one right here, as you can see. So there are more languages added with this new update. So now every countries around the world can use the Samsung keyboard with all the different languages, which is really good. I'm talking about a keyboard. Let's get back into the keyboard. You can now type and use emojis. The shortcut of emojis. So as for example, right here, hello. I can use the emoji, which is a hand, and I send it to somebody. So anything you write, it gives you an emoji of anything that you're typing on. So there is a shortcut of the word, and there is an emoji. Yeah. The next improvement is in privacy. And I'm going to be honest with y'all, Android has copied iOS really good when it comes to the privacy in this newest update. Like, really good. But it's not a bad thing. I'm happy because I'm a huge fan of the privacy of iOS. Now, when we get into the settings, privacy, permission manager, then tap on camera right here, you can decide which app can use your location, your camera, your microphone, and what time they can use it, which is really cool. I hate the fact that on the previous version, apps were using my location all the time, but with this newest update now, I can decide the app to use my location only when I'm using the app. And when I'm not using it, the app stops using my location or my camera or my microphone, which is really cool. Or I can decide to use every time, which I would never use anymore, or I can deny it. But I love using it while using the app. So every time I'm using the app, for example, if I'm using the Google Map, the time I'm using the Google map is going to use my location. But if I stop using it, it stopped using my location, which is really cool. I'm a huge fan of the privacy on iOS, and now we got the same thing on Android. I love it. And also with the Android 11, you can customize the Android Auto of your car directly from your smartphone. You just get into the settings, then you scroll right down to advanced features. Right here, Android Auto. Tap on it. You can customize everything from here. The launchers, connected car, automatically resume media. So you can do all the customization right from your smartphone, but this feature is not available on the older Android 10. As you can see right here, it is not there, it is not available. Yeah, but now we have it here, so I can customize everything, and whenever I get in my car, it just automatically use the settings that I've done on my smartphone. The camera has also gained some improvement. The autofocus has been improved so much better now. Like capturing photos take less time because the autofocus just capture the images really fast so you can take the photos. And even auto exposure also is really fast. When you're taking a photo outdoor with so much light, and sometimes, or with the previous version, it was hard for you to capture images because the autofocus kept dangling because it was too bright. But now with this update, the autofocus has been improved so you can capture better images much faster thanks to an improved autofocus and improved auto exposure. With this update, you can revert an edited photo. Now let's say for example this photo has been edited and I want to revert it to the original photo. What I have to do is I type on this little edited icon right here, then type on revert to original, and as you can see this is the original photo. Then save it back to the original photo. This is something that I've been using on my iPad Pro for a long time, and now I have it on my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip or any Samsung smartphones out there. We have these settings. The last thing we're going to talk about in this video is Bixby. Bixby has been improved. It is much faster now. It responds to questions really fast as compared to the previous version. It has little or no lag right now. It is almost at the level of the Google Voice Assistant. I'm not going to say at the same level, but almost. And that's all about this video. The Android 11 with Samsung One UI 3 on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. But I know these settings, customization, everything is going to work the same on all Samsung smartphones out there. So whatever Samsung smartphone you have, the settings are all going to be the same. But if there's anything that I didn't mention in this video, please let me know down in the comment section below. If there is any question regarding this update, drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to reply everything. And thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on notification for more videos, more great videos coming up on Bigfield TV. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.